testing the OBS software, how its microphone works, some filters. So at first I'm putting the filter gain at 5 decibel and watching, experimenting how it the effects, overall effects. Now I am putting the gain to 10 decibel and see how it works. Now I am putting testing it to the max level 30 decibel and see what it does. Now I am putting it back to 0 decibel and see what it effect does. So overall I found out, so I have found that 5 decibel works almost good. So I'm putting it to 5 decibel. Finally I have come to a conclusion, 5 decibel is good. Now I am adding another filter. It's called noise suppression, which removes the background noise. It is by default it is minus 30 decibel, and you can already see the difference. It suppresses a lot of background noise. And now we are going to test the max and minimum levels we can put on. So I am at first I'm giving it 0 decibel and see what it effects is doing. You can also hear it. Now I am putting it back to minimum level, minus 60 decibel, and you can see the effects already. I think you can understand. But by default I am trying to put it on by default 30. Minus 30 decibel is good. Now we're going to add test another filter, which you know does called noise, and but it needs some words. So you can see that if I turn on the noise gate, it uh, misses a lot of words. It cancels out a lot of words. So I think noise gate is not really necessary for me. But I am now going to turn it back on and say some lines, and you will see that there are some missing words. I have done it, and each time is some. Finally, I'm deleting this. So I removed those noise gate filters. I think I don't need it, and a lot of words get missed and during the conversation. So I think these two filters, gain and noise suppression, is sufficient enough for OBS input captures audio microphone. And I think you can change the settings as your preference. Thank you very much for this test. I think it will help someone. It obviously it helped me. Thank you.